In this video, we are going to see how to supercharge your charisma with these 7 simple tips, and you become charismatic leader. If you don't know what is charisma, charisma is the quality of being able to attract, charm, and influence those around you. It is usually easy to identify when someone is charismatic. It is, however, often much harder to say exactly what skills or qualities those people have that other, less charismatic, people lack. You can increase charisma with just 7 simple steps. 1. Podcast. 1 hour of speaking, no script, no feedback. Make it entertaining because you've got to watch it back. This will train your mind to never run out of things to say, plus cultivates your charisma style/humor. 2. Smiling. A smile plus eye contact is powerful in terms of attraction. Sounds too simple, yet most of you have a hard time doing that. 3. Going out sober. A sober night is the greatest test to your social skills. Can you maintain a fun, relaxed vibe while sober, or will you cave into the loud and hectic environment? Before moving into next point, make sure you subscribe our channel for more amazing video, and comment below on which topic you need video next. We will try to make video on it. Let's move into next point. 4. What's the dumbest shit I can say? Self-amusement is key. Vibes are infectious. People feel what you feel. Create your own fun and it will rub off on people. 5. Meditating. Presence plays a massive role in charisma. Having the ability to flow is key. Build this ability by meditating daily. 6. Practice. Experience builds confidence. It also shows you what works and what doesn't. 7. Let go of fear. Tension is the biggest killer of charisma. Embrace uncomfortable situations. Experience your fears head-on. Your charisma will naturally come out. If you have any suggestion about this video or you want to recommend any topic on which we need to make video, just comment below. We will try to make video on it. And if you felt this video helpful, then like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.